In this video, I'm going to show you how to tell if you're shadow banned on YouTube. Now, there's actually multiple indicators and a lot of factors that come at play here. So let's say, for example, you have a video that's doing very well at the moment, and then suddenly it drops off in views. And this happened with this video right over here that I did publish called How to Fix Roblox Error Code. You'll notice that just a couple hours ago, it was getting a decent amount of views per hour, and then it fell down, and now it is barely getting any views. Now, there could be a lot of reasons why. So if you see a suspicious graph that does look like this, that could be one indicator that your account has been shadow banned. But typically this is not the case. I would say around 95% of the time people actually think they're shadow banned. It's not actually the case. That being said, shadow bans are very real on YouTube, and one reason why your content could be shadow banned is the nature of the content. So if you're posting something incredibly sensitive or controversial or political, to be more exact, then there is a higher likelihood that your content could actually be shadow banned because it may not be friendly for advertisers and it may not be a good look for YouTube. There's certain keywords out there that YouTube doesn't want to actually promote. So if you're making content that revolves around certain sensitive topics and stuff like that, then YouTube actually does make an effort to suppress those videos. And in additionally, if your content is age restricted, that could be another issue. So obviously this does happen typically when there's some type of adult content in the video. So if your video is age restricted, then it will not appear on search results or anything like that. So in order to actually check if you're shadow banned, then what I recommend you guys do is open up an incognito tab. All right, guys, so here we are on incognito, and basically what I want you guys to do is go ahead and go to the search bar and look for your channel. And if for whatever reason you aren't able to find your channel or something like that, if for whatever reason you're not able to find your channel or the particular video that you think is being shadow banned, then that could be a high indicator that your content has actually been shadow banned. And also, one thing that I did notice across other channels is that if you just recently had a community guideline strike, that could be one reason why YouTube is actually shadow banning you. So if you did get one of those recently, then that could be the reason why you're actually being shadow banned. But honestly, most of the time, it is just the topic of the video. So you want to make sure that you don't create any type of controversial videos or videos that paint YouTube in a bad light or show violence or anything like that. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.